not so bad. We're going to sort of Kenya, but the Google says it's closed. We have to see if we can go or not to see it, and if not, we will continue to Vic, where we were yesterday, where we slept yesterday, because there are some other things that we want to see there. Then we will probably go to the area of the Golden Circle, which is another road, another circular road in Iceland, closer to Reykjavik. There's a lot of things to see there. We will do that one probably in 2 days, I guess, and then we still have time, so yeah, I think that's it. Don't know if you can see. Wait. There are a lot of cars, which makes me think that it may actually be open. I mean, even if it's not open, there's still like... So yeah, we'll see. Now it's not raining that much, it's raining a little bit. Time for gas again. It's very windy. Probably you can see it stopped raining, but it's very windy. Yeah.
Quanto é 8.000?
8.000?
É 6 vezes 8?
Yeah.
6 vezes 8?
48. À volta de 50.
50, isso vai...
Aí tu tens que pôr antes, não é?
Deve dar, deve dar.
A strange thing with the gas is that you have to select like the amount of money that you will put. You don't know exactly how much you can put because we wanna fill it up, but you have to select the amount of money that you're gonna put as gas. But like, how do you know? It's not an even number, and I think that it's like if you put over that amount. I mean, if you need to put over that amount, obviously it stops when the amount that you put is already over. And if you don't use all of the money, I think it will be returned to you later. It's not instant because you make the payment, and then if you don't use all of the money, they will return it to you eventually. But it's like you will have to wait maybe a couple of days for it to return. So I don't know if it's like in all of the gas stations here. It's the second time we're putting gas and it's exactly in the same place because we went the other way and then we returned here. It's like that here, so you have to guess how much gas you need to fill the deposit, or else you just put like 20 or 30 euros every time and then just go like that. Yeah, the problem in this part is that there aren't a lot of gas stations, so we need to be sure that we always have gas to go to other places that may not have a gas station. We wanted to go to a natural reserve that has like very cool scenery, but it's very far and we probably can't go there in this type of roads and conditions. We will try to go to the beach again where there's a crashed airplane, and we will see if it's possible to go, because it's 4 kilometers of walking in these conditions. Right now is not too bad, but we will see. Yeah. So we gave up on the idea of going to the airplane because we had to walk 8 kilometers, go and return on sand, and it's raining. Bus is it's too expensive, and you would only see like a wrecked airplane. It's nice, but probably there will be a lot of people taking pictures there anyway already. So we are going to the Golden Circle now. It's 100 kilometers. We did already 650 kilometers, almost 700. I didn't think we would do so much, but we will end up doing like 1,000 or more, I think, after the Golden Circles. But at least we saw everything we wanted to see, except for a few things that are not possible anyway, so it's alright. There's a lot to see. And after the Golden Circle, we will see how much time we have. Probably we will be there like 2 days or something, depending on stuff to see. Now the weather is actually a little bit better. Don't know if there will be sun, at least if it doesn't rain, it's good enough for me. Maybe we will go to some hot bath, thermal waters tomorrow morning, maybe. Yeah, we'll see if they're open or not. Finally decided to show up. Actually, you can't really see it, but it's the sun, and it's like a lot less cloudy now, a lot less rain, actually no rain at all, a lot more sun. You can see it because it's like above us now, but you can see, like, for example, you can see it's a lot more clear. I think the more west we're going, the more sun there is and the less clouds, because the place where we were, I think we were kind of like in the middle of the storm. There was so much rain during the night, like at 5 or 6 a.m. it was raining, like the rain was hitting the ceiling of the rooftop of the tent, the rooftop of the van. It doesn't bother me, the rain sound, but it was very loud. Now it's clear. Yesterday we couldn't see this far, I think. I think we are now in the Golden Circle road. I'm not sure. I think so. The weather is awesome. As you can see, we can finally see blue skies with not many clouds. We are going to a lake which is on top of a mountain somewhere here. probably was a volcano before. I will have to read the signs that they have on these type of places to be sure, but if it's not that one, it's a similar one with a lake on top. That's where we are trying to go now. It's about 3 minutes, 3 kilometers, so it's probably that one, I think. Maybe not, maybe even closer. Yeah, it's a nice road with nice weather. Don't know if you can hear because of the wind, but we are here. It was a lot closer than the other one that I thought was the one. We had to pay to enter. It was like, I think it was 3 euros, and this is it, 3 euros to see this. Now we will hike around it, and that's it. There's not much to see. It's literally just this lake, but it's nice, yeah. This is a nice path to walk on. Not really, but yeah. Don't fall. You can see the whole lake in this frame. That's it. It's bigger than it looks like on the camera, but look at the weather. The sun is a little bit behind clouds, but it's nice. Blue sky. Just came from the lake, so after all it looks like it was a volcano, but instead of exploding it imploded, and that's why the lake was created. I guess they are not sure entirely how it happened, but I think it was something like that. It's nice, but you can see it like really fast. We found our camping space for the night. I'll show you in a little bit, but this is the views. The sun has braced us with its presence. It's actually like, it's like 8, around 8, and the sun is super high. But yeah, this is our spot. We finally have a table just for us. It's a little bit windy, but it's a nice spot with nice views. The only problem is maybe the road right next to us. Probably there will be car noises, but probably not that many, because this is kind of in the middle of nowhere. So I never thought I would need to wear sunglasses at 10:30 in the night, but yeah, We are waiting to see if there will be a sunset, but I think the sun never sets in this land of ice.